2021 Chevrolet Captiva will cover larger market, but not the US. Captiva is back. The compact crossover is already available in some markets. The new vehicle is based on the Chinese Baojun 530. By the way, Chevrolet has stakes in this company, so there is no wonder why the crossovers are pretty much the same. Of course, modifications for particular countries are there, but there is no big difference. The 2021 Chevrolet Captiva is going to be available in more markets. Nevertheless, one of them won't be the USA, where we already have Chevy Equinox in the same class. The Baojun 530 debuted in 2018, and shortly after its premiere, the new Captiva was launched. The styling is new and it ended the 12-year run of the first generation. This edition had two big introductions in Colombia and Thailand. It shows major markets where the 2021 Chevrolet Captiva will be spread: South America and Pacific Asia. In Australia, it will be available as Holden Captiva. 2021 Chevrolet Captiva specs. We still don't know the future of the 2021 Chevrolet Captiva and Baojun 530, but both crossovers should get a hybrid drivetrain pretty soon. The Chinese market keeps on such drivetrains, so don't be surprised if in the near future the company brings an all-electric compact crossover to this country. Of course, we will monitor the situation with the Baojun 530 and try to figure out what's next for the 2021 Captiva. Meanwhile, the vehicle for the next season will stick to the existing lineup of engines. For the Chinese market, there are a 1.8-liter naturally aspirated 4-cylinder power plant and a 1.5-liter turbo 4-mil. The first one is able to produce 135 HP and 137 lb-ft of torque. The manual gearbox is a power router. A 1.5 displacement is more powerful and different markets offer the outputs between 140 and 150 horsepower. A 6-speed manual transmission is standard. In China, Indonesia, and Thailand, you will find a CVT, while the DCT is available in India and South America. Finally, there is a diesel unit, but you will find the 2021 Chevrolet Captiva with such an engine only in India. A 2.0-liter power plant is paired with a 6-speed manual gearbox. The combo is good for 170 HP and 260 lb-ft of torque. We don't expect to see it elsewhere anytime soon. Hybrid and all-electric crossover. These are plans, but General Motors is developing these units too slow in the US. Cooperation with the Chinese manufacturer could speed up the process. We already have hybrid Buick all-electric concepts and PHEV ideas available in this market. Experts believe the platform could be used for more vehicles, especially these with the Bowtie logo on the front grille. The hybrid system on the compact crossover boosts both power and the gas mileage, so there is no surprise why fans are so keen on such an upgrade. But, the official info is missing, so the 2021 Chevrolet Captiva Hybrid is still just a rumor. Where is the 2021 Chevrolet Captiva available under different names? We already unveiled one alias. The 2021 Chevrolet Captiva is coming out in China as the Baojun 530. Well, it arrived first, but the influence of the US company is more than minor. As said, the crossover is going to be available in more markets in upcoming seasons. We can already find it in India as MG Hector. The vehicle facelifts the original model and comes with a diesel unit under the hood. In Indonesia, the Captiva is also rebadged by the local company. Nearly 50% of parts are built in this country and the Wuling is selling it as Almaz. A petrol engine comes with less power than in other markets. Meanwhile, buyers in this country saw the premiere of a 3-row version last year. Soon, the crossover is arriving in Australia, where Holden holds rights for most Chevy vehicles. The 2021 Chevrolet Captiva is the nameplate for entire South America. Minor changes. The 2021 Chevrolet Captiva is not going to bring any serious updates. The vehicle is still fresh. We saw its premiere as Baojun 530 in 2017, and the first models were in the dealership after a few months. In 2019, the carmaker updated the crossover for some markets, and that will be it for the next couple of seasons. Starting from 2022, we can expect more serious updates on the Captiva. No room for the 2021 Chevrolet Captiva in the US. Equinox is one of the best-selling GM's products in its homeland. The carmaker stacked the entire crossover and SUV range, and the offer is even richer with the new Blazer out this season. The next year is bringing the lighter and smaller version Trailblazer. With a few compact models already in the market, it is obvious there is no room for another one. Well, Captiva was never part of this story, so it doesn't have too many fans in North America.